The GLACIER Fresh LT1000PC Water Filter is renowned for its exceptional chlorine reduction, removing over 97% of chlorine to noticeably enhance the taste and smell of your water. Engineered with premium coconut shell carbon blocks, this water filter ensures minimal contaminants, providing you with clean and safe water for up to 6 months or 200 gallons. Its compatibility with a range of refrigerator models, including LG and Kenmore, makes it a versatile choice for many households seeking reliable filtration. The LT120F Fresh Air Filter component is particularly effective at maintaining a fresh-smelling refrigerator environment, aiding in preserving the taste of stored food. With dimensions designed for easy installation, the air filter should be replaced every 6 months or when your refrigerator alerts you, ensuring continuous freshness. Manufactured by GLACIER Fresh, this product is a testament to quality and reliability, earning its place as a top choice in the water filter market.